The truthfulness of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was of the highest standard, and even his enemies attested to it. God instructed him to convey his truthfulness to the people as proof. Therefore, it became incumbent upon his followers to uphold the highest degree of truthfulness in order to be his true followers. Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad radiallahu anhu wrote that once there was a planned gathering in Makkah. The Meccans wanted one common response for visitors who asked about the Holy Prophet ﷺ. One person suggested calling him a liar. Another stood up and said this could never be accepted because Muhammad ﷺ had grown up among them and was known as the most truthful and trustworthy. When Heraclius asked Abu Sufyan whether the Holy Prophet ﷺ had ever lied, he replied, "Till now he has not told a lie." Even an opponent had to testify to his truthfulness. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ gathered the people of Mecca and asked if they would believe him if he warned of an army behind the mountain, they all replied that they would believe him because they had only known him to be truthful. A person's conduct and morals should leave a positive impression. In this way, paths open for spreading the message of God and his true religion. The promised Messiah ﷺ explained that the Holy Prophet ﷺ overcame even his greatest enemies through his character. God grants strength and victory to the side that is most truthful and morally sound. God declared regarding the Holy Prophet ﷺ, "And thou dost surely possess high moral excellences." Chapter 68, verse 5. This means the Holy Prophet ﷺ possessed all good qualities to the highest degree, including truthfulness, kindness, compassion, loyalty, and justice. He was not only truthful himself, but enjoined truthfulness upon others. He said truthfulness leads to virtue, while falsehood leads to evil. Falsehood is not permissible in seriousness or in jest. Even a parent should never make a promise to a child and then fail to fulfill it. A man came to the Holy Prophet ﷺ and said he struggled with drinking, immorality, stealing, and falsehood. He asked for one habit to leave first. The Holy Prophet ﷺ told him to abandon falsehood. Later, whenever he thought of doing wrong, he remembered he would have to tell the truth. In this way, abandoning falsehood led him to leave his other vices as well. When Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu heard of the Holy Prophet ﷺ's claim, he said that if Muhammad ﷺ had made this claim, then it must be true, because he was always truthful. He accepted immediately. After the first revelation, Hazrat Khadija radiallahu anha comforted the Holy Prophet ﷺ and said God would never disgrace him because he was truthful, kind to relatives, helped others, gave to the poor, and was hospitable. Once, in private, Abu Jahl admitted that the Holy Prophet ﷺ was truthful and had never told a lie. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ arrived in Medina, a man saw his face and thought this was certainly the appearance of someone truthful. The first words he heard were to spread peace, feed others, be kind to relatives, and pray at night. Once, a mother called her child and said she would give him something. The Holy Prophet ﷺ asked what she intended to give. She said dates. He explained that if she gave nothing, it would count as falsehood. Today, every Ahmadi should analyze the standard of their own truthfulness and remove all weaknesses. May Allah enable everyone to do so.